All right, welcome to the live stream today. Welcome back, guys. All right, so let me have a quick sound check first, or the technical check. All right, guys, can you hear my sound clearly? If you can hear my sound very clearly, then you can type yes in the chat box. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Good evening. All right, sorry, guys. Oops. All right, guys. Can you hear my sound clearly? Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1. All right, sounds good. Okay, because I check, I'm using my phone to check the, Aurex thing. Okay, sounds good. Okay, then we should start the live streams today. Hello, Alex. Hello, how to spell it? The name Evander. Hello, welcome to the live stream today. All right, this is Alan here, and then we should start the live stream today. So, all right, let's go. Okay. All right, so let's look at the, let's look at the goal first. Okay. So, all right, so there's so you see, I have already mentioned that the trend, the trend is still in the, in the sideways. The price is still ranging, so the price is still sideways. Okay. So, but if you look at the, the overall trend, so the trend is still in the, the downtrend. Okay. And yesterday I also mentioned that I will try to, try to sell gold, try to short gold. Okay. But why I didn't sell gold? Because what? Because I see there's a, there's an uptrend structure here. Okay. So there's an uptrend structure, so I think that it's not suitable, to short gold, because the price it's possible to goes up. Okay, yesterday was possible to goes up. Okay, so I didn't short gold yesterday. Okay, but okay, now we can see that the price is still ranging, and then the price is, forms a, a big downtrend here. Okay, if you look at the 15-minute chart, okay, there is a big sideways, there's a big ranging. Okay, because what? Because if you look at the range, okay, if you look at the range, wait. All right, guys, please wait for a while. Okay, because there's some problem on, the, all right, the mouse got some problem. All right, so let me draw. Okay, all right, so All right. Okay, so this is a big sideway. Okay, because why? Because if you look at the the range, right, it is around 300 pips. Okay, 300 pips. Okay, it is a big range. Okay, it is a big range. Okay, so it means that we should do a strategy like like ping pong there. Okay, like ping pong here. Okay, how is the ping pong strategy? Which means you can sell at the sell at the resistance level and then you buy at the support. Okay, because what? Because if you look at the 15-minute chart, okay, very obvious it is a significant it is a significant sideway. Okay, so all right, what I'm gonna to do, yeah, I'm trying to buy gold. Okay, I'm trying to buy gold for now. Okay, I'm trying to buy gold. All right, so buy gold. Right, and then I place my stop loss here. Okay, I place my stop loss here. So this is my orders, and then I place my stop loss here. Okay, and I wish that the price can achieve this level. Okay, all right, so let's go. Looks cute today. Really? Hi, yes, hi Rachel. Hi Rachel from YouTube. All right, guys. Hi, welcome to the Aurex YouTube channel, and welcome to the live stream. Rachel, is this your first time to come to this live stream? If this is your first time, then you may type yes, okay? But where's the VIP group? I have to update the just call me Ash. Okay, alright, Ash. It's normal that is it normal to have losing trade sometimes? Yeah, it is normal, okay? In trading, it is normal, okay? If you look back, if you look, uh, if you watch my live stream last week, I got a 9 straight loss. Mother, I got a nine straight loss. 9 straight loss. Shit. Yeah, it is normal. It is totally normal, right? You are not gambling, okay? Yeah, correct. Charlie is correct. You will lose sometimes, okay? But the more important is that how did you manage your manage your wallet, manage your account, manage your risk. This is the more important part because losing, it is normal to lose in trading because you cannot predict the movement the next second. Okay, you cannot predict the future movement. Okay, you are not the god, you are not the like predictor. Yeah, and you are not, you are not a person that control the market, correct or not? So if that, so the hypothesis is, if you are not the person who control the market, then how did you make a like straight win or consistent win? Means like, how do you make it that you never lose in trading? You sure will lose one, okay? For me, it's sure to lose one, okay? So we cannot change this kind of situation. So what we can do is we manage our position, we manage our wallet, we manage our account, we manage our risk. So this is what we can do, okay, when you come into the trading. All right, so yeah, it is normal, it is very normal to lose, okay? Even me, I used to lose 9 straight last week, okay? I lost 9 straight. I got the 9 straight losses last week, okay? It is hurt, okay? It is very hurt, okay? But what can I do? Just I have to just accept and then keep going on. So before, when I'm facing the losses, what I'm thinking that, okay, what can I learn from this? Learn from this, the stop loss, the losses. What can I learn from it? Okay. And then after I got experience already, and then I will look forward, okay? I will look forward and then I will think about that. Hey, how can I cover my losses in my next trade? Okay. I think this is the most important one. Okay, look forward, guys. Look forward. Okay, don't think about losses, because it is like history already. It is a history already. Okay, but what we have is now and the future, right? Okay, so you focus on your focus your time now, focus your time now, and then build your future. Okay, you cannot change the history, but what you can change is like now. Okay, all right, so let's look at the goal. All right, so let me repeat again. So because I saw that it is a it is a ranging, this is a sideways, so what I can do is I buy here. Okay, I buy from the support, because okay, what I can see is that, so here is this probably like a liquidity grab. Because why? Because the price forms a false breakout, and the body of the candle didn't close below this support. Okay, all right, so it probably is a like liquidity grab. So the price make some retail traders to stop loss, and then the price reverse. So for me, right, I think that the price would reverse at the moment. All right, and if you look at the chart pattern, right, okay, there is a potential higher low. Okay, there's a potential higher low, even though the price still still didn't break out this resistance level. But I think that the price would break out and then reach this level. Okay, but still we have to place a stop loss. Okay, because it is still possible that the price going down, because what, if you look at the 5-minute chart or even the 1-minute chart, there's a downtrend structure. Okay, there's a downtrend structure, so it is still possible that the price breaking the support, or maybe the price keep going down. Okay, it is possible. Yeah, it is possible. So don't like, oh, the price is gonna go up, so I just buy and then don't set stop loss. No, you cannot do that. Okay, you cannot do that. Or maybe once if you don't set your stop losses, you might blow your account. Okay, you might blow your account. Okay, so guys, remember to set your stop loss. And okay, all right, so let's look at the silver. I see gold like can't go down. Now I can buy. For me, I will buy. Okay, for me, I will buy. Okay, but before you buy, right? Okay, mini, before you buy, right, you need to have a, you know, like clear, you know, clear SOP. Okay, or I want to ask that, why do you want to buy? Because of what? Okay, because is it the chart pattern give you some signal to buy? Yeah, you can ask yourself this question. Okay, okay, so for me, why I will buy? Because what? First information I get is, okay, the price didn't goes down anymore, and then the price forms you know, the false breakout, and the price grab the liquidity. Okay, this it is a potential, like, you know, grab liquidity grab. Okay, so this is the first thing. And this is the first and the only thing I saw. Okay, because the chart, or the, you know, the price action give me the signals that it tells me that, hey, the price may wants to goes up. Okay, at the moment. So it give me the, you know, it give me the confirmation already. Okay, the price give me that confirmation already. So hence I try to buy here. Okay, I try to buy here. So you need to find your confirmation. Okay, meaning you need to find your confirmation. RSI give me the signal can buy. Okay, then if you know, if your strategy tells you that, hey, there is a signal to buy, then you just buy. Okay, you can buy. Okay, you can buy based on your strategy. Okay, but you still, the most important is that you need to set your stop loss. Okay, you need to do your plan before you enter the trade. Okay, so trading is just simple. You plan your trade, and then after that you trade your plan. So easy. Okay, so just easy. Okay, you do the planning before you trade, and then after you plan already, right, then you trade your plan. Okay, just simple. Okay, it's just simple. Okay, just not sure where to put stop loss and take profit. You need to base on your, like, risk management and your risk appetite. Okay, because it's different. You know, the risk appetite is different based on, you know, based on the personality. Okay, so for me, right, I want to catch the movement like this. Okay, so for me, I will set my TP here, and the stop loss level I will set here. Okay, I will set around like 4982. Okay, around this level. Okay, because why I set this stop loss level, why I set the stop loss level at here, because why? Because if the price is breaking this support level, then means that the price, then there is a, you know, the continuation of a downtrend. Okay, so that's why I set the stop loss here. Okay, so means that the price breaking this support, then means that the price will goes down even more. Okay, so I need to stop loss here, and then maybe I will try to sell if the price is breaking this support. Okay, so this is my plan. Okay, so if the price successfully, you know, goes up and then breaking this resistance, significant high, okay, the price keep breaking this, you know, this key level, and then means that the price will likely to goes up more, right? Okay, so what I will do is I'm trying to hold the trade, and then I'm trying to let the price to hit the TP. Okay, I'm trying to hold my trade until it hit the TP. Okay, so this is my plan. Okay, this is my plan. So yeah, this is the, so I give you a, you know, like a framework to you guys, so you guys may, you know, like planning your trade like this, with this kind of framework. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's just simple. Okay, trading is just simple. Okay, so first you need to have your confirmation, and then second you need to place your stop loss and stop loss and take profit. Okay, and then how do you set your stop loss and take profit? Just based on your, you know, like risk management, and then your personality to Yeah, based on your personality, okay? Yeah, you also need to place your, you also can place your stop loss and take profit based on your strategy. Okay, like mini, you are using the RSI, right? So means that if okay, let me show you the example. If you're using the RSI, so for me, if I'm not mistaken, you are buying if the indicators is below like 30, then you buy, and then if this indicator hits like 70 and above, then you try to sell, right? So if I'm not mistaken, because I used to use I use RSI before. Okay, so you also can like place your TP and place your stop loss and take profit using the based on your strategy. Like, okay, example, if I buy here, okay, if I buy here, right, because the RSI hit the 30 level and below, right? So I will buy here, okay? But if the price like reverse and then goes down, so how can I uh set my stop loss? For me, I will base on I will set the stop loss at the previous high. Okay, I will set the stop loss at the previous high. So if the price breaking this the previous low or the support level, then I'm trying to cut loss. Because what? Because the price is keep going down. Okay, if I don't cut loss, then I will lose even more. Okay, so yeah, you need to base on your need to follow your strategy. Okay, follow your strategy. All right, nice. The price is pumping now. Profit now, but still don't know where to put the TP and SL. Oh, you got a profit already. Then you might take a profit already. Okay, as long as you got a profit, then you might try to take profit. And I saw you, is you are doing the layering. Okay. What you can do is you can close some of the trade and then you hold the rest trade. Okay. Because I think for most of the traders, right, they hope that uh I want to earn as much as I can, right? Okay, for me, I also same. I am trying to earn as much as I can. Okay, so what I will do is if I'm doing the layering, right, I will close some of the orders and then I will hold the rest orders. Okay, to let the bullet fly. Okay, let the profit fly. Okay, to earn more profit. And what you can do is you can set a break even. Okay, okay okay, example, I set the stop loss level here, but I change the stop loss level. I key in the stop loss level by key in, set a break even like this. Okay, so do you see any difference? I move the stop loss level to the entry level. Okay, you can do that also. You can try. In the class I attend before, they focus on trading based on analyzing the trading volume. And yeah, you can also like trade with the trading volume. Okay, as long as you understand the strategy and the logic of the strategy, then you can try to analyze it and then try to trade using them. Okay, you can try, because there's a lot of strategies in the world. Okay, there's a lot of strategies in the world. Okay, every kind of strategy can make money. Okay, as long as you know about the logic of the strategy, or the the way of using the strategies or the indicators. Okay, do they send signals here? The signals is only access is only for VIPs only, okay? Because in this group, we are not, you know, encouraging. We are, because for this live stream, right? This is not the, you know, like financial advisors or any, you know, we are not providing the services through this live stream. It is only for the education purpose only. Yeah. Okay. But if you join our VIP group, right, you can access to our signals. Okay. All right. So the price bumping now. So let's look at the guys. Okay. If you look at the AUD USD, okay. What I said yesterday. Do you remember? Okay. Do you remember this thing? Who follow? Okay. Who follow this? I want to see who follow the AUD USD. Let me see. Okay. Lucky got the confidence by Alan. If not, I also won't do this trade. Yeah, okay. So before that, you need to you know, you have to be very clear, okay, before you enter the trade, okay. You have to know what you want to do, what you're gonna do next, okay. All right. Alan, how do you think about tonight FOMC speech? For me, right? Okay, let me check about the FOMC, because I don't watch news actually. Okay, for you guys to know, for your information, I don't watch news. Okay, but what I can see, okay, we can make the, you know, like assumption now. Okay, we can make the assumption. Okay, so for this FOMC tonight, right? I think that the Federal Reserve will remain its you know, the interest rate. All right. So because what? So if you okay, first, this is my, you know, like feeling. Okay, this is my first feeling that I think that the Federal Reserve is not gonna to increase or decrease their interest rate. I think they will remain the interest rate. Okay, but is it that the the Federal Reserve is really to maintain the interest rate? Uh, so we're gonna, you know, like fact find. Okay, what I will do is, like, I will check the inflation rate, because why the Federal Reserve want to increase or decrease their interest rate? Because they need to control their inflation rate. So what is the inflation rate of the US or of the country? So you may check the CPI data. Okay, so for me, I will check the CPI data. Okay. All right, guys, let me share my screen. Window capture. Okay, so all right, so guys, let me share my, you know, share this screen first. Okay, so if you look at the CPI data, right, so this is it is a good, you know, it is a good indicators to show that whether the inflation of the US is increase or decrease. Okay, so if you look at the data here, the latest data here, so the actual, you know, the actual CPI reading is 2.4%. Okay, which is you know, which is same with the, you know, the market forecast and the, you know, the previous reading. Okay, so means that the inflation of the US is there is no increase of the inflation in the US. Okay, so for me, right, I think Federal Reserve there is no point for Federal Reserve to increase their, you know, to increase the interest rate, because the inflation rate has been controlled. Okay, there's no the inflation rate doesn't goes up. Okay, so means that there no need to increase their interest rate to weaken the inflation. Okay, I think there's no point for further reserve to increase their interest rate. So this is my first reason, okay? So if you want to fact find more, then for me, I think you can check the, like other data, for example, like the NFP, the labor data, okay? All right, so let's fact find more, okay? So guys, you can access to this website, which is called the investing.com. Okay, I think it is a useful website for me because I can access a lot of data here and a lot of news through this website. Okay, and filter. Okay, hi. So later on, the interest rate decision will be announced, and then the FOMC statement and the FOMC press conference. And the most important is this, okay, this event, okay. I think it is the most important things, okay, because the Jerome Powell will talk about the like the next step, what they will do in the next step, okay. And be careful because what? Because the Jerome Powell, like the uh the head of the Federal Reserve almost changed people already, okay. The chairman, yeah, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, need to change people already, okay. I think it's the most important, okay, most important event here. I cannot predict how is the outcome, but what I can do is like be caution. And for me, I won't trade the FOMC lah, because what? Because it is 2 a.m. 2 a.m. I need to sleep. Okay, I need to sleep. So yeah, but for you guys, if you want to trade, right, so need to be caution that first issue is the chairman, okay, the chairman, because the Jerome Powell may have to step down already, okay. Then there's somebody to take the chairman, and he or she may do something different, okay. I think this is the biggest issue for the FOMC today, okay. I always feel the New York session is more volatile. Yeah, Ash. Seriously, this is the truth. The New York session is more volatile. Okay. No signal are given here. We need to pay attention. Yeah, actually, yeah, guys. Well said, risky. Okay, well said. Because this is not a signal live. Okay, I'm not giving the signals for for non VIPs. No, not like like I'm not trying to separate you guys, okay? Because what? Because what I want to do is I want to teach you how to trade, okay? Compare to that, I just giving you to trade, okay? I think it is better to teach you how to trade, okay? Because guys, just imagine, okay? If touch wood, okay? If touch wood, I sick today, okay? I'm not able to do the live stream, okay? Then if I'm not doing the live stream, then how you guys trade, okay? Let's say I'm giving you guys the signals, okay? But I'm sick today. Then I'm able to do the live stream or give you the signals. Then do you guys no need to trade already? I think no, right? You guys still want to trade, okay? But you don't know how to trade. So in order to solve this, solve this problem, so What is the best situation? I teach you how to trade. Is it correct? Okay. You can follow my trade, but before that, you need to understand what I'm doing. Okay. So because you are, you know, you must be full responsible to your account. Okay. Because I cannot control your account, right? I cannot control your account. I cannot make the trade for you, okay, because you are the person who plays the trade, okay, so you have the full responsibility about your account, to your account. All right, so by the way, the goal is still climbing, okay. I wouldn't say it is spiking because spiking is like that, okay. The price, the candlestick form this kind of big candle, okay. I would say that the price is climbing, okay, climbing slowly. Okay, but it's still good. We still make the profit. Okay, nice one. And plus the AUD USD I placed yesterday. Okay, and the price is successfully placed out yesterday. Okay, nice. All right. The dollar index trying to goes down now. So then for me, right, I think that the gold or the silver will likely to goes up for the the London session, okay, at the moment, okay. All right, the silver is going up now. Good, good. All right, nice one, nice one. Although the movement is very slow, okay, but as long as we got a profit, then that's fine, okay. You got a profit, okay. And okay, if you look at the currency, okay, so okay, if you look at the okay, there's a downtrend here. So it is a downtrend here. And for me, right, even though the price going up, even price, okay, let me do the all right, for the USD, right, I think that the price it might come to this level. Okay, for me, it might come to this level. But when the price hit this level, right, then I think the price should like dump like hell, okay. I think the price will drop when the price reach this level, or maybe the price can goes up like that, okay, can goes up like that, and then maybe the price goes up a little bit and then the price goes down, okay. Because what, if you look at the price action here, the market structure here, it is still the price is still in a downtrend for EUR/USD, okay, it is still in a downtrend. So yeah, the first level I would see is this level, okay, around the 1.1569 or 1.1570, okay, this level, okay, for me. And if you look at the price action here, or the market structure here, there's a there's a breakout, okay. So there's a breakout, the uptrend structure has been broken, so means that this is a CH change of character, okay. So I think that the price will go down now if the price didn't break this resistance, okay. And if you look at the market structure right now, right, I think the price will go down, okay, compared to the price going up. Okay, I think that it will goes down, but if you look at the US dollar, right, the US dollar is going down now, okay. Then if the US dollar is going down, then I think that the EURUSD would likely to goes up, okay. But the main, you know, the main resistance is here, okay. The main resistance for EURUSD is here. The price must break this resistance. Otherwise, I still thinking that the price will likely to goes down at the moment. All right. So this is for EURUSD, and then for the GBP USD, okay, there is a breakout here. The uptrend structure has been broken. So I think that it is, you know, it is logic. It is possible to, you know, to short GBP also, okay, because what, the market structure has already changed, okay. All right, like the price is still ranging, okay. Price moving slow. Oh. Recall, sell what? Recall. What do you want to sell? Alright, the AUD USD is spiking now. Sorry, it's climbing, not spiking, okay. Alright, so the price is rising, okay. Oh, put a magnet here. Right, I put a magnet here. So let's see whether the US dollar will drop or not. I think it will drop lah, okay. I think it will drop based on the information, okay, based on the price structure now. I think the USD will drop, and then like GBP, EUR may goes up at the moment. Alright, so the USD JBP is going down. Okay. But remember that the bigger, you know, in the bigger time frame, the trend is still in the uptrend, okay, for USD, okay. So remember it. So we will do, I'm trying to buy, you know, buy USD, the USD pairing one day, okay. If the price forms a, you know, uptrend structure again, okay. But recently, recently we can sell USD now, okay, because what? Because the downtrend structure has been formed. So it's also same for the USD CAD. So the price dropping. But in a bigger time frame, oh, okay. In the bigger time frame, it is still in the uptrend, but this one is weakened, okay. The USD CAD is weak. Better don't trade, okay, if you don't know how to trade. And I'm more prefer to trade USD JPY for me, okay. Alright. The crypto is climbing. The crypto is breaking the, you know, the previous high. The Bitcoin breaking the previous high. So the same also for the ETH, the Ethereum. Wait, something interesting here. All right, guys, please allow me to have a cup of water. Okay. And so let me take a short break. Then I will come back shortly. Okay. Mainland strategy is coming. Yeah. Mainland strategy is coming, but I won't place. I won't paste the magnet on the pairing that I trade. Okay. I paste it at the dollar index. Okay. All right. Seems like the magnet is working. Okay, guys, let me take a short break. Okay, I will come back shortly. Okay. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Hmm. Okay, something like this. Okay. Fly. Fly, please. Alright, so for silver, the price trying to break this resistance. Okay. I think the price is gonna break this resistance. Okay. Yeah, you are back. I'm back. Yes. Oops. Okay. So just wait. Okay, wait for the price to break. Okay. Good profit today. Yeah, nice. Quite nice. Because I placed the AUD USD yesterday. Nice. Hmm. Still boring day. Still a boring day. Oh. Hmm. Still slow. Okay, still slow. All right, so if you look at the EURUSD and the GBP USD, okay, so there's a uptrend structure. Okay, so there's an uptrend structure. The price possible to goes up at the moment. Okay, so there's a double bottom here. Okay, and the price reached this resistance level. Okay, the price gonna try to break this resistance. Okay, for GBP USD. And okay, still good, still good for AUD USD. Okay, keep flying, bro, keep flying. For the USD CHF, the price gonna drop also. The price still ranging. Okay, so yeah, be patient. Still gonna be patient. I thought that it will be faster. Okay, I'll faster see the. It's faster to see the result if I trade gold or silver. But it's still slow. Okay, guys. Oh no, the price dropping. Why? Why the price dropping? The USD is rebounding. Uh, hmm. But I think it's okay because what? Because here's the uptrend structure. Okay, the price break the the previous high or a significant high. So I think that the price will likely to go up again. Okay, it's normal. It's normal that the price make a the retracement, but as long as the price didn't break this significant low, okay, so this level, okay, then I think it's still okay. Still okay. It's okay for boarding. At least we got the profit. Okay. Correct also. Yeah, nice. But I want the situation is that we got a profit and then we got a profit like like fast. because serious right? Correct, right? Everybody want this kind of like one candle hit profit, hit the profit, one candlestick like that, like right? This is what I need. Okay, this is what I need. Okay. But it's okay lah. Okay, because sometimes the market will likely to would give us like this kind of situation, the big pump or big dump. So let's see whether we can catch this movement or not. But I think later on the price will spikes. Okay, for me. Okay. Yeah. The US dollar is dropping again. All right. Not every time also can. Not every time catch this kind of chance. Yeah, correct. But you need to prepare to catch this, you know. You need to prepare, you need to be prepared to catch this, okay? So why I want to do the live stream for you guys also, because it is also good for me to, you know, like, to catch the, you know, the very precise entry, okay? For me, it is, it also good for me, okay? It also good for you guys, okay? I can provide the education for you, teach you how to trade, and then for me, I can catch the entry, okay? So this is like win-win situation, okay? Okay, nice. The US dollar is dropping. Nice. So faster, lay way, faster, faster. Rebound, please. Okay, EURUSD is rising. Okay, so the GBP USD is testing the, you know, the price testing the support, sorry, the resistance level. Hey, the magnet is working for the USD, okay? Come on, price goes up. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Faster goes up. Okay, come on. Oops, XUD going down. It's okay, it's okay. The price didn't hit the stop loss, then it's fine. It's fine, okay? It's just a small pullback only. Small pullback. But if the price really, touch, really, hit the stop loss, then, I will just, okay, fine. The price hit the stop loss. Because I think I cannot control, the price. I cannot control the price to go up, like. Alright, start the rebound. Guys, I want to go to toilet. Okay. So let's hope that the price could, spikes. Okay. Let's hope the price would spikes. Okay. Oh yeah, I know. Also, I finally know that why the price is moving slow at this moment. Okay, because what? Because the players are waiting for the FOMC moment. Okay, later on 2 a.m. I think probably that the market is waiting for this moment. Okay, so that's why the market is moving slow. Okay, so okay, all right. So what we can do now? Okay, you may several option. You got some of the option. Okay, one, you may try, try to wait for the FOMC to announce. Okay, and second, you may hold your trade if you trade. Okay, and just let the price hit the TP or SL. Okay, but if you want to be safe, right, I suggest you that to to not to trade first. Okay, or third, you may trade FOMC later on. But for me, I won't trade FOMC lah, okay, because I want to sleep. Okay, I want to sleep. Alright, guys, I want to go to toilet first. Alright. Okay, guys, I'm back. Oh shit! Price dropping way. Hey, hello. The right CFDS or CFD on Go and XAU are the same. Yeah. Correct. Rahul Raj. Yeah, correct. You are right. The CFD on Go is same with the the XAU USD. You busy? Oh no, because I forgot to see the the chat box on the YouTube. Sorry, yeah. Because I'm focusing the the chat box in the Telegram group because our the members is in the Telegram group. Yeah, Bridges. So there's a lot of news later on at 8:30 p.m. There's a call PPI and a PPI. So I think the market will be, like go up and down, up and down. Oops. All right. So if you look at the gold price, the price touch hit the stop loss level. Oh yeah. So there's losses for this trade for this. Okay. But is it the AUD is still okay? I think it's still okay lah. Okay. All right. So like all right. So the price, is retest the support again. What I'm gonna to do is I'll try to sell gold, okay, if the price breaking this support, okay. But I think that when the price breaking this support, right, I think it will be, like the US session already. So let me label down this support level, okay. So if the price breaking this support, then I will sell, I will short gold, okay, I will short gold. But I don't think it is a good moment to short gold, okay, because what? Because the price testing this support level. And yeah, price, like testing, retest, and then so I wait for the price to break. Okay, I wait for the price to break. Or maybe I will just sell silver, okay, if the price it almost the time, okay, it almost the time. When the price break this support, then I'm trying to sell, okay. And okay, if you look at the silver price didn't make the higher high, okay. If the price want to goes up, right, the price need to break this significant high or the resistance level, okay, but the price didn't do it, so means that it might be it is a potential like double top, okay. So how to confirm that? So I need to see the price to break, this support. Okay, so I need to see this. I need to see the price to break this support too. So if like that, okay, the USD is climbing now. Well, let me just focus on the silver first. Okay, I sell silver now. I short silver already. Alright, okay, so seems like the price breaking down. Oh shit, okay, I'm slow, but never mind, I will try to make the move again, okay? Alright guys, if the price, if the gold and the silver is dropping, right, then I should close the AUD USD because what? Because it means that the price is gonna drop, okay? So I would like to close AUD USD. All right, so nice. The gold is dropping, okay? The gold price dropping. Whoa! Hey guys, the price dropping like shit, like dumping. Okay. Whoa, there's a quick 2,000 profit in just like few seconds. Okay. Whoa, shit, man. Okay, guys, what I will do is I'll set a BE. Okay, set a BE. Okay, secure a profit. Okay, don't be greedy. Secure a profit because I think that the price will that like a quick retracement. Okay, so remember to secure a profit. Okay, what you can do is I will close the silver first. And guys, remember to secure a profit. Okay. Whoa, shit! The price dumping like shit. What the fuck? Oh, that's crazy, man. Whoa. Guys, how to cover loss in 1 second? How to cover your losses in 1 second? How? So yeah. So just like Mark said just now, I remember that Mark mentioned Mark say that not everyone can, you know, catch this kind of, you know, catch this type of movement, but we must be prepared. Okay, we must be prepared. Okay, so yeah, that's the moment. Okay, that's the moment we want to catch, so you need to be prepared. Okay, so nice. Okay, all right, luckily I closed the I closed the order, the silver order. Okay, because the price, wow, very high retracement. But okay, look at the gold. The gold is still like the price dumping. Okay, oh nice. Whoa, nice, nice, nice. But I'm considering to close gold. Okay, all right, close. Okay, all right, dumping like shit. How to cover your losses in 1 second? So that's a pullbacks, but I didn't follow this trade. Oh, so bad. But it's okay. It's okay. You can trade. There's another time. There's a lot of opportunity in in trading. Okay, so don't be like, don't be sad. Okay, don't be FOMO. Okay, so there's still like 8:30 we got the PPI announced. Maybe you can trade. Okay, you can trade the PPI, but I don't think that. But you have to be careful. Okay, because there's there's something like the big movement or what. When the design is announced, when the news is announced. But the good news is later on the Prem will do the live session for you guys. Okay, maybe he will trade the PPI, and maybe he will give you guys some tips or what. Okay, so remember guys, so don't leave the don't leave our channel first, because later on we still got one more live session. Okay, it will be start at 8 o'clock. Okay, so the PPI will be announced at 8:30. Okay, so don't miss the live. Okay, don't miss the live stream. Okay, don't miss the live stream. Okay, and the Prem will bring you guys powerful, meaningful live stream. Okay, all right, so see guys, the price is retracing. Okay, the price start to retrace. Okay, so luckily I closed the trade already, and I think it will be like fake out, maybe. Okay, it can be a fake out. Okay, because what? Because okay, you see, it is a possible a long week. Okay, it is possible, it is a possible long week. Okay, it may like, okay, the market player, the big player, or maybe they want to like grabbing the liquidity, all this liquidity, because what? Because okay, you see, right? Okay, this is a first, second, third, and this is the fourth low. Okay, this is a low, this is a low, right? Okay, and you guys can see, right? Okay, so the this movement, right? The price didn't break the break this low, and for this movement the price didn't break this low, and this movement again, the price, I think the price breaks the low here, but the price didn't break this low. So there must be some stop loss, or maybe there's some of the orders that still remain in the market. Okay, so maybe the price, maybe the big players make the price dump, and then make this trade got stop out. Okay, it is possible. Okay, it is possible. If you look at a price movement here, okay, it might be a fake breakout. Okay, it might be a fake breakout. Okay, and if you look at a 5-minute chart, okay, so there's a long wick. Okay, there's a long wick. Okay, so luckily I close here. Okay, but somebody may ask that, why I don't want to close here, and I choose to close here because what? Because I don't know how the price is going. Okay, I don't know how far the price can go. You know, it might be, you know, the price may go lower. Okay, the price is possible to go lower. Okay, but without these two candle confirmation, I'm you know, I'm unable to make the decision. Okay, I'm unable to do the confirmation. Okay, so yeah, so at least this candlestick tells me that, later on the price may have a, you know, like rebound. Okay, so you may close the order here, so at least you earn the, you know, you got the range from here to here. Okay, it's around like 100 pips is enough. Okay, it is enough. 100 pips, you trade one lot, then you get a 1000 profit. Guys, it is a long week, but if you look at the reaction now, I think the price will drop again. Okay, guys, should I try again? Should I try it again? So how much you profit today? All right. So last trade, maybe, okay, if I'm not mistaken, okay, for the, okay, yesterday we got trade, you know, the AUD USD, right? So I closed the order for today. So it is around 800. Okay, but I need to minus the losses I made just now. Is around 1000. Okay, because what? Because of this drop, right? But I make another 1000 profit of this, you know, then it's around 1000. So okay, and then we got, just now we got trade the silver, right? We also catch the, you know, we also get the move. Okay, get this move. Okay, so it's around, if I'm not mistaken, okay, so it's around 1300. Bro, it dumb like shit, bro. I'm trying to understand the logic behind this entry. It's just market structures. It's simple. For me, you can trade only using the market structure. It's simple, like because you no need any indicators, right? Because if you as you're looking at the chart, okay, the price is already tell you that the price is gonna going up or maybe the price is gonna going down. It's just simple. I'm just using the like the market structure, okay? Just simple, okay, just simple. The logic is just market structures. The price dropping. The silver file is dropping. Guys, I think I won't trade. Okay, I think I won't trade anymore because I'm gonna wait for the wait for the PPI. Okay, wait for the US session. Okay, I'm waiting for the reaction. Okay, so all right, so thank you guys. All right, I think I will end up the live session here. Okay, so thank you guys for coming today. Okay, and thank you guys for supporting our channel, Aurex. So guys, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So guys, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow our Instagram and TikTok account. Okay, and last but not least, if you want to join our VIP group or Telegram group, then you guys can just message PM Grace. Okay, she will assist you as well. All right, guys. So thank you. Thanks for coming today. Then I will see you tomorrow. And guys, remember, don't forget to focus on the FOMC later on. Okay. All right. So goodbye. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.